Hey, what's up everyone, it's your boy Altered Tech, back again with a new video, and today we have the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy A10e. If you were actually porting your number in, you could get this one for free. Alright, so let's see what we get. Okay, first things first, you have a USB to USB Type-C cable. And let's see what else we got. We have a SIM ejector tool. And we have the Galaxy A10e. We have the instruction manual. And we have a SIM card and a power adapter. So there's no headphones. Now this is like the cheapest Samsung device you could possibly get on T-Mobile. Probably not going to get the headphones, probably not going to get the extra stuff or the protective case. But it's a nice blue color. Blue's actually my favorite color, so obviously I'm going to dig this. Okay, so on the bottom you have a headphone jack, you have a USB Type-C port, you have a microphone port, you have a speaker grill. Up on the right side, you have your power button, your volume rocker. So as for the front, check this out. You do have a teardrop notch. It's similar to the one on the OnePlus 6T, and I'm not a big fan of notches, but if you're going to do a notch, do it with the teardrop notch, because this is perhaps like the best looking notch I've seen on a smartphone. The display, it looks pretty good, the text and everything, it looks nice and crisp. The feel in the hand, I mean, I thought it would have been a little bit bigger, but it's a nice size. So let me just go ahead and unlock this device. Okay, so there's a few ways you can unlock this. You could use a pin. There's no fingerprint sensor. You could use face unlock, and you could use a pattern. So I'll test out face unlock in a little bit. Okay, so let me go ahead and test out the face recognition unlock real quick. All right, so the face unlock is working pretty good. So if you're concerned about, having to type in your password all the time, you do have face unlock available. Okay, now T-Mobile also has the Moto G7 Power on sale for free. But I chose this one because I wanted the Samsung One UI experience. I've had the same experience on the Galaxy S10, and so far, Samsung has made a ton of improvements using the Samsung One UI. As you guys can see, it's a lot more smoother than TouchWiz. And we do have Bixby Home, if you're interested in that. And so far, this phone is pretty good. But as you guys know, like once you install more apps and whatnot, it might slow down a little bit. But I'll give you guys a 1 week update as soon as I'm done, playing around with it. So let's check out the features real quick. Let me see the camera. Let's see what we have with the camera. Okay, so I'll post this in the video. Let me see. It looks pretty good. Looks nice and crisp. It's better than I expected. Let's go back. All right, so for the modes, you do have a video mode. Take some videos. Let's see what kind of quality. Okay, so for the rear camera, you can record up to full HD. There's no 4K. As for the front, the same thing, 1080p. You do have HDR, and let's see. Okay, so I'm recording with the Galaxy A10e at 1080p. This is the highest resolution it could possibly record at. This is 2x optical zoom. Let me know what you guys think about the audio and the quality down in the comment section. Photo, Pro mode, and panorama mode. That's all you get. I do like the layout of the Samsung One UI. It's perhaps the best launcher Samsung has implemented over the past 10 or whatever, 15 years. Okay, so overall with this device, it looks pretty damn good. I have no issues or no complaints whatsoever so far. So I'll just go ahead, charge it up, test out the battery life, test out the camera, test out the performance, and I'll give you guys a quick update. So that's the unboxing video for the Galaxy A10e. Overall, it looks like a really good device for what you pay for. And this is Altered Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.